Faraday experiments. Look here now. Now I discuss Faraday experiments now. According to Faraday, the scientist name Faraday now. This scientist conclude one experiment nana. This is the circular coil nana. This is connected to galvanometer. This is connected to galvanometer. Here magnet is placed. Every magnet has two poles. One is north, other one is south. In the situation, coil and magnet. Once again I repeat. In the situation, coil and magnet. Both are rest now. Both are rest. Coil, magnet. Both are rest. In the situation, galvanometer indicate current 0. What is the use of galvanometer? To measure the current. No deflection, no current. Simply here there is no induced current. There is no generating current. When both are at rest, simply there is no relative motion. There is no induced current, there is no generation current. Faraday observed magnet moves towards the coil. In the situation, magnetic lines on the coil increases. Simply, magnetic field on the coil increase. Flux formula is B-A-N cos theta. Here B increases, flux also increases. Simply, once again I repeat, here B increases, flux also increases. B increases, flux also increases. In the situation, B increases, flux also increases. Here flux changes valla galvanometer shown deflect. Galvanometer shown deflect means here potential difference develop. Simply EMF developed in the coil. That's why EMF is nothing but the potential difference. Because of potential difference, current produced in the coil. Once again repeat the concept. According to Faraday observation, magnet moves towards the coil, galvanometer deflect. Its meaning is magnet moves towards the coil. Here magnetic field increase, flux changes, which will be developed EMF. Because of potential difference, which will be generate current. This can be observed by the scientist Faraday. Again, same situation. Magnet moves away from the coil. Magnet moves away from the coil. Magnetic lines on the coil is decrease. Flux also decrease. In the situation, flux decrease. In the situation, EMF developed in the coil. That means current produced in the coil. Simply here magnet moves towards the coil, or magnet moves away from the coil, current generated in the coil. This can be observed by the scientist Faraday. According to Faraday observations, one conclusion is most important. That is, there is a relative motion between coil and magnet. There is a production of current in the coil. There is no relative motion. There is no production of the current. Okay? Look here. Very important. Nana observations gives two laws. The first one is Faraday first law. The second one is Faraday second law. Look here. Faraday first law. Look here. According to Faraday first law, Faraday first law. Here, change in flux, change in magnetic flux to produce the current in the coil. Once again I repeat. What is the Faraday first law? Change in magnetic flux to produce a current induced in the coil. Here, Faraday second law. EMF developed in the coil because of rate of change of magnetic flux. This is called Faraday's second law. What is the Faraday first law? Change in magnetic flux to produce a induced current. What is the Faraday second law? According to Faraday's second law, rate of change of magnetic flux to produce a EMF developed in the coil. Okay, rate of change of magnetic flux developed in the coil to produce a EMF in the coil. Okay, very important, Faraday's second law. What is the Faraday's second law? Induced EMF formula is minus d phi by dt, minus d phi by dt. Now here this minus write the scientist Lenz. Lenz gives the correction, according to Lenz this minus indicate work opposition. This can be explained in the next video. Okay, this minus indicate work opposition. What is the Faraday second law? E induced equal to d phi by dt. What is the correction of Faraday's second law? Induced EMF equal to minus d phi by dt. Here minus indicate work opposition. Hold. What is the Faraday's second law? According to Lenz correction, induced EMF equal to minus d phi by dt. Here d phi indicate change in flux, dt indicate change in time. We know that flux basic formula B A N cos theta. Here, according to Faraday observation, B changes, ORR A changes, ORR number of turns changes, ORR angle between B and A changes, then flux changes. Simply, B flux changes, then flux changes which will be developed in the circular coil. EMF developed in the circular coil. EMF is nothing but the potential difference developed in the coil. Simply current induced in the coil. We know that Ohm's law V equal to IR. I induced into R. Here R indicate resistance of the coil. Minus d phi by dt. Here induced current equal to minus 1 by R into d phi by dt. This is the formula for induced current. Next one, we know that current formula is charge by time. Charge by time. Here charge induced, right side minus 1 by R into d phi by dt. dt what? Cancel. Here what is the formula for induced charge? Minus 1 by R into d phi. This is the formula for induced charge. This is the formula for induced EMF. This is the formula for induced charge. Induced current. This is the formula induced charge. These three formulas are most important. Here d phi indicate change in flux. Change in flux means final flux minus initial flux. What is the flux formula in the chapter? BAN cos theta. One small problem I discuss, Nana. Look here. Here 5 is given, 5t square plus 2t plus 5. 5 is given, flux is given. After 2 seconds, EMF developed in the coil. This is the question. We know that Faraday second law. What is the Faraday second law? Induced EMF equal to minus d phi by dt. Here minus indicate work opposition. Here d by dt. Okay, d by dt. Here phi right. Look here, 5t square plus 2t plus 5. In the situation, phi common, t square differentiation is 2t plus 2 common, t differentiation is 1, constant differentiation is 0. Simply 10t plus 2. Time is given 2 seconds. Here substitute 2 seconds. 10 into 2, 20 plus 2, 22. This is the induced EMF. EMF unit is nothing but the potential. The potential unit is volt.